Wake up in the morning, time to rise, stretch out, open my eyes.
If you're a senior or just starting your fitness journey, this workout was designed just for you. Hi, I'm Gilda, and I'm glad you're here for this safe, gentle, low-impact routine. We're boosting mobility, strength, and energy. No equipment needed. All you need is a sturdy chair and water. To get started safely, we'll begin with our warm-up. Starting with arm circles. Extend your arms, palms down, and begin to draw circles. Gradually let your circles get bigger as you begin to lubricate the shoulder joints. Keep your breathing easy and rhythmic. This helps to improve mobility and gets the blood flowing, preparing the joints for the main workout. Begin to slow down, then reverse in the other direction. Keep the movement controlled and smooth. Feel the gentle activation in your shoulders and upper back. Focus on your breathing. Inhale and exhale naturally. Just a few more seconds. Now stop and lower your arms, and we'll prepare for the next exercise, which is hip circles. Stand tall, place your feet hip width apart. Let's begin hip rotations, taking the hips from the right, back, left, forward, in full circle, focusing on the stretching at the lower back and the hips. Feel how the breath wants to move as you do this, and go with it. Take really big circles if that feels right, or small ones. It's up to you. Now let's reverse and go into the opposite direction. This movement of the hips will help keep the hip joints and pelvic muscles fit, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting down. You can even do it sitting down if you haven't moved for a while. Let's do a few more of these circles before we move into our next warm-up exercise. Now you can relax for our next exercise, marching in place. Position yourself, lift one leg up and down, and the other leg up and down. Keep your foot flexed and march in a nice, controlled, gentle fashion. Keep your foot flexed and your abdomen tight. If you really want to get the blood flowing, you can begin to pump your arms and maybe even speed up the pace a little. Feel free to even speed up the pace even more, or you continue at a slower pace if that's more comfortable for you. The hip marches is just warming up the body and getting those joints lubricated for our workout. Now let's prepare for our next exercise, which is toe taps. Begin with small, controlled taps. You can continue with your hands on your hips with this gentle flow, or you can begin to pick up the pace. Pick up the tempo gradually. Increase your cadence one notch at a time. Now drive those arms back and forth, synchronizing your arms and legs. Using your arms for power, let them lead the way as you accelerate smoothly over the next few seconds. If this is too much, feel free to slow your pace down. Just a few more seconds. Now relax. Great job. Now we're getting ready to move into our workout. This workout has 5 exercises, and we'll be repeating each exercise twice during this workout. Our first exercise is squats. Stand behind your chair, feet hip width apart. If you're standing, begin to press your hips back as if you're about to sit. If you're seated, begin to gently lift up and back down in the chair. Listen to your knees. If you need support, hold the seat of the chair if you're seated, or the back of the chair if you're standing. Lower gently if you're sitting in a chair. This strengthens your legs and glutes. Keep your chest proud and your back straight. This protects your spine and improves posture. Press through your heels as you stand up tall. This activates your major leg muscles for power. Knees track over your toes. Never let them cave in. This keeps your joints healthy and stable. 2 more squats. Last one. Now let's prepare for our next exercise. Exercise number 2 is wall push-ups. If you're seated, we have a modification for the chair. Walk a couple of steps back from the wall, hands wide, about shoulder width height. If you're seated, keep your back straight as you lean forward and backward. Keep your arms strong and your wrists straight. Lean towards the wall. Keep your body in a long line. This engages your core and upper back for stability. Bend your elbows. This gentle movement safely builds chest and arm strength. Push yourself back slowly, letting your chest feel the stretch. This helps improve shoulder mobility. Keep your hands shoulder width apart and your head neutral. This helps to protect your neck and wrist while building endurance. Last one. Now let's come back up to standing and let's prepare for our next exercise. Exercise number 3 is knee raises. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Lift one knee up towards your chest gently, then set it down and alternate legs. If needed, hold on to a chair or wall for balance. If you're sitting, lift one foot up off the floor and then alternate. Focus on stability, not speed. Engage your core gently. That's the key to your balance. Knee raises improves hip flexor strength. It challenges your balance. It also activates your deep core muscles for stability, and it enhances coordination and rhythm. Let's do one last set on each leg. And let's get ready to move into exercise 4. Calf raises. Stand to the back of your chair, feet together, and let's raise our heels up off the floor. Engage your core as we do some calf raises, which helps to strengthen our ankles. We are also challenging the small muscles in the lower leg that helps us stay steady when we walk. Pause slightly at the top and slowly and gently lower on the way down. Keep your movement smooth and controlled. Avoid bouncing. This protects your Achilles tendons and joints. Calf raises improves muscle endurance and control. Last one. Let's move on to exercise 5, lateral leg raises. Keeping your hand on the support, gently lift one leg straight out to the side, back down, and alternate. Avoid leaning your torso too much. Small movement, big effect. We're building strength in our hips, which is vital for mobility and fall prevention. Lateral leg raises helps to strengthen your hip adductors for better stability. Keeping your core engaged works your standing leg for balance. Only lift your foot as high as is comfortable for your hip. This safely builds mobility in the hip joint. Return your legs slowly to the starting position with control. This improves muscle control and prevents momentum. After this last set, this completes round 1. We have one more set of everything. Give me your best effort. Let's begin with squats. Maintain the same strong pace as the first set. Smooth down, powerful up. Let's make every repetition count. Focus on consistency and rhythm. Make any adjustments where needed so that you're comfortable. Focus on spreading the floor with your feet as you rise. This ensures your knees stay wide and activate your outer thighs. Breathe out sharply as you stand up tall. Use that exhale to truly tighten and brace your core. Last 2 squats. Now let's move back to the wall for exercise number 2, wall push-ups. Position your feet and hands. Control your descent even more this time. Keep that straight plank line from your head to your heels. Engage your midsection tighter to ensure only your arms are doing the work. As you push back, imagine you're pushing the wall away from you with power. This maximizes the strength work in your chest and shoulders. Keep your elbows tucked closer to your sides. This transfers the work slightly more to your triceps and keeps your shoulders safe. Let's do 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Great job. Let's move to exercise 3 of round 2. For the second round of standing knee raises, try lifting your knees slightly higher than before. Aim to get your thigh parallel to the floor. This works the hip flexors and deep core even more. Maintain a tall posture, drawing your shoulders back, and resist the urge to lean back. This maximizes the core stability challenge on your standing leg. Focus on the down phase. Lower your foot back to the ground very slowly and silently. This improves the negative muscle control. Last 2. Let's move on to exercise number 4. Position yourself for calf raises. For this second round, focus on a deeper stretch at the bottom. Let your heels drop just below the edge of your support. This increases your flexibility and range of motion. Elevate slowly and pause slightly at the top. Ensure you're pressing evenly through your big toe and your second toe. This keeps the movement centered and engages the calf muscles optimally. Calf raises help to strengthen the ankle joints and stabilizer muscles, which are crucial for quick adjustments when balance is lost. Strengthening the lower leg muscles can lead to improved balance performance, which is the single most important factor in preventing falls. Let's move to the 5th and last exercise of this second round, lateral leg raises. Focus on stability, slow down the pace, and lift your leg using only your outer hip muscle. No momentum, just pure control. This is the last push. Keep your toes flexed and your hips completely still. Finish the set strong and steady on each side. Lateral leg lifts improve hip stability and balance by strengthening the hip abductor muscles. These lifts directly improve lateral stability, which is crucial for preventing sideways falls and maintaining steady balance when walking or standing on one leg. One last lift. And congratulations for completing this awesome workout. Time for cool down. This cool down is just as important as the workout itself. Sit on the edge of your chair and extend one leg straight out in front of you. Gently lean forward from your hips and come back up. Continue this movement. You should feel a light stretch. Inhale as you lengthen your spine and exhale as you hinge forward. Breathe deeply into the back of your leg, releasing any tension from your workout. After this next fold, let's switch sides. This exercise provides a safe and effective stretch for the hamstrings and the back of the knee, which often becomes tight after standing or leg-focused exercises. Because this stretch is done while seated and supported by the chair, it allows for a gentle forward fold that helps to decompress and lengthen the lower back without strain. Come back up to the seated position. Sit tall with feet flat on the floor and inhale and lift one arm up. Exhale and lean to the opposite side. Hold for one slow breath, then inhale back up to center and repeat on the opposite side. This exercise gently stretches the muscles between the ribs and the muscles along the sides of the ribs, which helps improve the overall mobility of the rib cage. It also provides a safe and effective way to laterally stretch the spine, helping to relieve stiffness and tension often held in the side body from sitting or poor posture. After this last stretch, come back to center and let's do a few cat-cows. On your next inhale, gently arch your back and look up to the ceiling. Begin to round your back and tuck your chin into your chest. Flow smoothly between these two movements, matching the rhythm of your breath. Inhale to open and exhale to round. Let the movement start from your hips and ripple up your spine. This continuous flexion and extension of the spine helps to soften and relieve common stiffness in the lower back, which can accumulate during both exercise and sitting. After this last flexion of your spine, let's take a nice inhale as you lift your arms up. Exhale, take another nice inhale. Exhale and lower your arms back down. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Until next time, keep moving gently, stay well, and I'll see you on the next video.